Good morning, family. Thank you for watching again. So today is all about negativity and how to get through it, or I don't even know how to get through it. Like, I have to research and I have to look at, it's all these motivational videos is good and all, but real life problems do get in the way. All these guys making money and stuff don't tell you about their journey, that they are only posting when they have or they got someplace. And I'm at a point right now where it's like, why am I doing this? Why is this happening? Like, it's a lot of bad stuff happening, and this is probably why I give up in the past. So it's first world problems. It's not like lots of you guys are probably going through a lot of rough stuff. My stuff is not as bad, but I think it's everybody who gets bad news and you don't know what to do, and it's hard to get out of it. Like, even these little things will push you off the edge. Maybe, I don't know, maybe it's just me, and maybe it's just me and like depression and all that stuff. But so it's like the little things. My little daughter is going to a new school on Monday, and I'm stressed for her. It's like, I feel like we gave up on her, or I gave up on her so she's doing French immersion. She's not doing that good. Me and my ex-wife do not speak any French, so it's kind of hard for us to teach her anything. English, like, she's starting to read. Spelling is still up there. But French is like a whole new thing. So she's learning English and French, and she's learning pronunciations and all that stuff. So it's rough, and she does all this stuff after school. So she does on time, and she needs to sleep, and there's only 24 hours. So it's rough. So she's starting a new school on Monday. So it's kind of stressful. What else is happening? So like I said, it's minor stuff. I'm trying to organize myself, trying to be more professional and look a little bit more professional. So I bring this big gym bag in, try to put all this stuff in, and to bring my clothes in. I'm trying to get new stuff. I bought like a suitcase, like a carry-on, like professionals kind of have. Well, that's what I'm looking for. I bought a big suitcase to like go on a plane with. And the people were nice, so I couldn't say no. It's all scratched up and stuff. So it was just like, why? And I went out of my way to do this too. Like, I went out of my way to get this. So it's like, why? And so now it's really cold outside, like freezing cold. So now your whole wardrobe is changing. Like, I'm changing my wardrobe now. So all my summer clothes is going away. All my winter clothes is coming back. So I'm wearing like jeans and like dress pants and shirts, button-up shirts and stuff. So now nothing's fitting right. Like, I lost some weight. So now like my legs are like skinny, and like my muffin top is like sticking out. So I can't even wear skinny jeans. And baggy jeans look kind of ridiculous on me. So I'm at that point where like things aren't looking good. I'm not feeling right. So you guys probably notice my red nose all the time. It's been there for years. I'm trying to get rid of it as well. So if you guys know what to do, please leave a comment. I'm trying new things too. I got a product coming through. I'm investing in myself. My online store is coming up. I saw some videos today that kind of put me back. Not as motivated. But there's a lot of negative stuff just punching you in the face every time you're trying to look at and doing something. So I don't know, maybe e-commerce is like a get rich quick scheme. Like, people aren't getting rich, but there's, I don't know, you see, I don't know, maybe, well, we'll see. I'll let you know too. So this is real world problems for people going through the struggles. Even if it's minor stuff, I know the bigger stuff are huge, and people seem to step up more after that. Like, these little things will just get in your way. So watch this video at the end. Hopefully it'll keep you going. Hopefully I'll have better news tomorrow. Hopefully something will come in, some divine intervention will come into my life and kind of slap me back to reality of my goals. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day. Hopefully you guys are going through better times than me. But thank you for watching.
Actually comment on that, and it's amazing and a great thing. No? You good. Oh, I know, I'm sorry. So I was gonna review. Okay, good. So I gotta not do this. It's not legal. Hey everybody, it's Chris, and I'm getting ready to go see Logan. Today's video is gonna be about how to get motivated, or rather how to be motivated. Really, I had a few of you guys ask me this in the first #KillChris Nerd Motivation video. Like where do you get started? Where is the first point where you jump on to being motivated? Because sometimes it's just hard to find motivation to do everyday things when you've been depressed, when you've been sad. It's hard to really find a place where you can feel connected to something, to want to go out there and do it, to get off the couch, get out of bed. You know, right now with me in the job search and things being really frustrating, I mean, I've had a few, good opportunities here and there, but nothing has really stuck. And it starts to really unmotivate you. It makes you really want to just say, you know what, maybe I'll just give up and just like live in my fate. Live in the fact that maybe I'll just never get another job, or maybe I'll never achieve anything. Those are the thoughts that cross through your mind. But you have to keep pushing yourself and keep going forward. And remember that this motivation thing starts at a very central place within you. It starts from a desire and a place where you want to survive. Maybe you're in a place in your life where you don't want to survive. Maybe you just want to die. I've heard lots of people say this. We're like, you know what? Maybe it's just easier to give up. Maybe it's easier not to try. And I'm just gonna say this. That's not gonna solve anything. It's just gonna make everything black. If you keep going forward, there's more out there. You see this door here? See this door? You open up the door, there's an outside world. Now that's just my living room. But outside that door and then another door, there is an outside world, and there are a lot of things you can do outside of these walls that can make a difference, affect other people, and change not only your life, but other people's lives. Sometimes when you're struggling and you need motivation, try to live for other people. I know that sounds like a bad piece of advice, but I think it helped me get out of bed this morning. It really did help me realize, you know what, I can't lay here because then I won't be able to achieve anything. I won't be able to maybe one day marry my girlfriend. I won't be able to buy my niece a good birthday gift come April 2nd, 9th, 4th. I'm a bad uncle. I forget when your birthday is, Lexi, but I know it's in April. How about that? Catch me outside. I'm just saying that there is a motivating factor in thinking about other people outside of yourself and keep trying for them. Now let's go watch Logan. Maybe I'll get some inspiration while watching the movie. Maybe along the way we'll see something cool. But let's go on this little adventure and see what happens. Get ready, guys. This is all about how to get motivated. Where to start. Where does inspiration come from? Let's find out together. Let go. So I just saw Logan, and literally my thought is, why didn't they do that in the first place? If I can take any kind of motivational message from the movie, I can say that the idea is that you can always keep trying. Like I told you before, they've made 3 of these Logan movies, basically 3 Wolverine movies, and this is basically the best one because they finally got it right. I think Deadpool helps. They gave them a clearance to make this an R-rated movie, which is really what Wolverine needs. But beyond that, you want to ask yourself, what are the basics of motivation? Where do you get the idea to be motivated from? And it really just does come from experience of living things and doing things and trying things and just believing that you can do it. Now, it is hard as all heck to get up in the morning and try to do something different. It is hard as all heck to try to challenge yourself. But if you don't, you have to realize that you will never get anywhere. You'll be in the same place the rest of your life. Unless you want that, then you have to find some kind of thesis, some kind of idea, some kind of well thought out plan that will put you in a place where you want to be. I've gone over it again and again because of my whole job situation, but I really do believe it. I believe that if I keep trying, I'll get to the right place. I believe if I keep fighting, I'll eventually reach what I'll call my Eden, my place of belief, my place of salvation. I'll meet the place where I've been trying to go my entire life and maybe just didn't have a plan. So if you really want to know how to get motivated, you have to look at your life, look on everything. Even if you've had a short life, just look on what you've done so far and ask yourself how you can be better. If you want to know how you can be motivated, how you can wake up in the morning and go, yeah, I'm going to take the day and I'm going to do it. Find something bigger than yourself. Find something that gives you a purpose and go after it. It could be something small. It could be, I want a new bike. It could be, I want the Nintendo Switch. Because that's a simple thing in my life I'm thinking about right now. Like, I want to get ARMS, I want to get a whole host of other new games. And if I don't really challenge myself, but I don't really try to make it, then I won't be able to get them. Let's think beyond just monetary things. Let's think about things that aren't just entertainment pieces. Think about just you want to feel fulfillment in your life. You want to be happy, right? I think everyone wants to be happy. Nobody wants to sit around being sad. If you want to reach that happiness, figure out what it is that brings you joy and go after it. Talk to yourself, talk to a friend, meet new people, but do whatever it is that makes you feel successful. And that is where you'll meet the point of motivation. That's where you'll meet true inspiration, and that's where you'll grow into the person that you want to be. I'm looking at the things that I'm living through right now, and I really do find it hard to stay on top of everything. I find it hard to be able to satisfy every single need in my life. Like, even right now, I have a girlfriend, as you guys know, and I'm trying to be a good boyfriend every single day. I'm trying to learn how I can satisfy the things that make her happy so we can have a long life together. And that in itself is my motivation. The motivation is to want to be better for someone else. That motivation is to want to be better for myself so I can feel proud of the things I'm doing and will do. So as I sit here after seeing one of the best movies I've seen in quite some time, I have to look at you and tell you that you can find a motivation to be you. You can find a motivation to be more than you even. You can find a motivation to be who you want to be in the future. But you have to plant those seeds now. They have to start somewhere. So start today. I have been going through it like no one else. I think we've all had points where we felt low. We really have. But the idea that I can make it through is really the idea that I'm holding on to. And I think we can all do it if we support each other and do it together. So if you need any help, please let me know. Reach out to me on social media. Reach out to me in the comments down below. Let me know what motivates you, what makes you want to be better, what makes you want to grow. Let's talk about it. I'll see you guys next time. However you still aboard. Thanks for watching, guys. I made a video last week which was about, I believe, 18 minutes, 18 seconds long. It is an extremely long video, but I think it's worth it. Go check it out. I'll put a link right here or here. I don't really know where they go. They'll be somewhere. And please, guys, thank you for watching. And have a fantastic rest of your week. I'll see you tomorrow. We get another #KillChris. We'll do a number update on Friday. And let me know, is there anything you guys want to see me do next here on the Chris Centers YouTube channel?